What are we doing?
We're gonna go for a bike ride! How about these roads?
Yeah, these roads are why we're not biking from our house, why we're driving to start on a path that is already cleared of all the snow and potholes. So it is fun to drive though, in a sort of terrifying, I hope the van makes it through sort of way. Stopping for some coffee.
Gotta warm up, starting to snow a little bit.
It is starting to snow a little bit. Cheers. Now it's actually
Gotta put my gloves back on.
properly rain snowing now on us.
True breakup season in Alaska.
Yes, yes.
Don't really know what's going on.
Well, now I know we're getting wet, which is why we got coffee, so we can fortify for the ride home.
Stay warm.
Yeah.
Because we decided it was warm enough to not bring extra jackets.
Yeah, or a beanie or anything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I did bring my fleece lined gloves.
Yes. So we're super smart, and we're good at this.
It's a good ride so far.
Yeah. It's a good first ride back on the bike since last year.
Safely back to the van.